Hi guys, today we'll be doing bean art. The supplies you need is cardstock paper, a stencil, markers or pencils, glue, and you'll lastly need beans. To get started, first we're going to take a piece of cardstock paper and a stencil, and we're going to be using a pencil or a marker to outline the stencil. After outlining the stencil, we're going to take the glue and paint a small section with glue or area. After putting glue on an area, choose any type of beans. We're using black beans, black-eyed pea beans, red beans, pinto beans, white beans, and green beans. So our first color that we'll be using is black beans. So we're going to be putting black beans onto the section or area that we put glue on. Now we're going to put glue on another area. And this time we'll be using white beans. It's okay if you make mistakes. And now we're going to do another area. So we're going to be painting glue onto it. Make sure you don't eat blue or beans because it's going to give you a stomach ache. And we're going to paint another area with glue. And if you need any help, make sure to ask any of the teachers. Now we're going to do the last area. And we're painting it with glue and adding the beans. So we're using red beans this time. Okay, and before you finish, make sure you shake off all the beans that aren't stick on. And there you go. Enjoy your art.